chechi amunyina Emamunu Abema Avram bin Moshe, leader of Common Sense Family. Common Sense Family, a awakening movement. Yedi BND penny. Said the bay especially a bibi mine, a befan to my pefra. Midia de Tomi and Casa, Ali Ibrahim. Yaw min kremoni, beye Christoni, Esfia dia Benji Fuono. Essence a wow dress of the Case. Yen so woman share Sefia Radia. Tinami or some good running na. In conclusion, the who say all religion or some biara was invented by man. Or Badiana Mayasum, name or my adjene sons of good judgment. Say Enfantine Riasi, Enfant Bobra. In Sembisi say Bible moon pensemu, Koran mua disuya, ni or some good Roma disuya, any other social issues. Any day bremo. Ewo program ayatu din say time with the Common Sense Family. 9:30 p.m. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturday. Enti shia me wo sonfo Avram bin Moshe. Ewo Tumpani TV. Adwena nya dwuma body ni bre. Yadamu nyina ase. Bye bye.
Yes, Abraham bin Moshe. Na yeton kanta man ka Ghana antiti say religion take am yes nyansa nya dwuma biemu. Yato yenko cha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a yefre wo sen was your friend Frederick. And so be who broni bia your friend Kofi Konto. Ya identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni sanekete that's why bibeni mbo.
Yo, I wish I from Sramwa with my friend Manager. Monim Yanum network ya. To be Sramwa, as Yemia Bismarck, Kusi, Oaswa, Bismarck Kusi, Oaswa Taipei, Namimpini, Pachau, Yemia Benfed Bismarck Kusi was started the 2000 defenders to support Avram bin Moshe. TV station owning Nankasaya Day. You will never be brepesi ye. I beboa na movement ni si kasema koso. Ni yenye bi ni yede aboa na in the near future yenya TV station na yenda nature se en nananom na nyankopon to me bia eta ye chi no yenna na se with effort na ye put no ye ko yenim kakra TV stations afei en na media no eti message na se afei en na media na ba ye na anko mu use dia bringing ye down no. The media is now understanding our message. Angel force madam wasi ewo osofo amu akwata mo ama ne chance yesi am pay we through fire eno me ba me nyanhwe video no solid me nyanya course Savram sofo amu akwata akoto another bomb intima kotie enwumbre ye be ba bam thank you me say e be pay jarof CSF money be jekeke They catch them one with baby after na more planning and fine you could see na and I'm no na hey nobody can stop us. This movement is here to stay. This movement is here to stay. And no pay the same organ for paying for so yes. We have to speak truth to authority. Yes. Me catch me my fair biani wo from medi my fair biani wo from medi. Enya semwa anka Ghana ni kopedien wo Arab country bibisamu enya semwa anka Lebanon Syria Jordan Kuwait Arab country menka Muslim tu ye kremoni a when one for niam na ba ha menka Muslim country me say Arab country Muslim Islam ne yesom enya som na meka enya semwa anka bibini opedien wo Arab country. We can't even stay home. And then there may be a bar, politician by a cope, hey. We didn't vote for one politician. There may be over. It is the government in power who have to sit up and wake up to the task ahead. I'm many a Ghana for be Arab countries almost started from Kuwait. Ebini abuobi mo Jeffrey the no wa ye video Avram Kasamami. But any time abe kasebiano, not the government in power. Na gene se wo kaseti ya no. Ye bre, ye kuro mo Ghana kwa ye ntomenti na. Lebanon ade na wo. Ade na wo Lebanon. Ade na wo Lebanon. Na Ghana ni kopre wo Lebanon. Natural resources a Ghana wo. Kuwait wo bi. Ye kuro mo kwa ye ntomenti na. Ade ba asemwa. Ye two abama NDC ni MPP. Mumba power ye pay. How to win the last election in here? Yariaba any pay voter registration when you break. And pay you for na momo quarantine mo. Mom pay you for the moko quarantine mo dia ye. Mono what we kwasha them 14 days e quarantine mo say yari munye. Ghana ni bedru Ghana kra ono no san ko tua ni hotel bills e dia ba asem Guess fi Lebanon e dey ebinom frɛ fie ebo bosia ge ba akokra ye CSF ni ofra me Avram me yare me ntumi Avram ka che CSF for no mo ame na me frɛ Lebanon na mbra Ghana but oye CSF ni wa ye video poda ti me de ne beto a obeka say na Avram na ogigi ska ko obi $500 and ebinom gigi wo mobusuafo e dey ba Ghana yes san show mo say COVID-19 ni twemu a wo mo sambra Lebanon e dia ba asem a Okoka na Ghana ni biti wa say omo compare there with all due respect nonsense who be some say Ghana for two kwan e compare there na wan kasa wa dwen ya adwuma be ne wa edro na dwa fa krom ko hwe ahyawo yes sustainable you bring another scammers no ya two about them bet na konwa so a kwan ya mo be fa so win the last election kwa NDC ni MPP communicator mo betra TV so a mo be ka dem betumi aye no na NDC ni ka kire MPP ni so ya kronfo na MPP ni ka kire NDC se o ya kronfo na se mo mienu akronfo mienu na mo di yeso anopem betiti bi asra mo NDC ni MPP fo betiti bi asra no pawe o de mantie video bi a me ye da no why Kremofona ya ne mo kasa no be jana go and learn Arabic. A whole village was converted to Islam, including babies. A whole village ya convert o nyina da ne Kremofo and a video under social media and an Kremofo na type Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, mashallah, Allah is great, Islam is the religion of peace. A whole village including children. Mind you, village no obi anti Arab okurumo. Obi anti Arabic. Obi an kan Quran ne da. But moko ho eko convert o mu nyina mamwani age. Sa krom ho nipa ba ko benyini. No ye research kakra. No be kan the English no who say problem wo Quran mu a. Na wa be ka chale say onko sua Arabic. Adan ena mu ko kromu ho no mo anchire kromu fo no how to speak Arabic na mo Quran and hadith no mo nsua Quran and hadith in the Arabic na mo antwen 8-10 years na nka mo aba abebi some say oh ya ba ha 10 years ago na mo nti Arabic say de beye na ochine bi ya ne mo beye argument e wo Arab kasa ne hunti no Yama teacher echremo Arabic. Emma mo kan Quran and hadith. Ye be bisa mo say enkremu so no wati ase ana. Mo anye sa hwe video no. Besa babak. Betin sem wa ha. Ndasa me ka chremo. Honorable Ken and fire Islam no. When I call reply. Go and reply him. Yes, someone the slave master's religion. Yet ye kuhuntokwa. Anke ba kuntokwa. Anke ye Dagomba culture, Asante culture, Mamprusi, Dagati, Kusasi. Ye diana yam kuhuntokwa. Ye jaye yamamre, ye jaye yesom, ye jaye ye jidie, ye jaye ye way of life ya twakene. And the slave masters etrimwadinfo we di bra ye no. Me wo as brothers and sisters. We are on social media fighting. If you joke with Islam, somebody will kill you. You joke with Christianity, somebody will kill you. But we are not ready to die for the story of Kwame Nkrumah. We are not ready to die for the story of Yasantua. We are not ready to die for the story of Yana. The black man is sick in his foolish brain, with all due respect. Why?
To get hold of a copy of the Holy Quran. I said Muslims as well as non-Muslims. The non-Muslims, they must know, they owe it to themselves, that since there are 1 billion Muslims in the world today, they ought to know how their minds are working. Even as a missionary, you want to fight the Muslims, an intellectual battle, even then you need the book to arm yourself as to what the other person believes and what his book of authority is. And for the Muslim, it's also imperative that in this environment, English-speaking environment, that each and every Muslim here ought to arm himself with the English translation of the Holy Quran. This particular one I have in my hand is by Abdullah Yusuf Ali. This volume has about 2,000 pages.
Yo, straight up, I wish I formed Chiamina. And when Muniabema Avram bin Moshe, the Bible CR7. I'm saying, the Quaquantum Kakrana said, a Benny baby, a Bama Hodden Bedin Como, it be a pin in the Messiah. They be a Mecassa say, ye percent, ye Triamianum, yen Jesus say, ye free thinkers, or your religious people, or my Irano, the perception about no correct quine soa, and yatim didier, and yam mockery. Tina Minianoma, and name money be a yanam we post to pictures. I dem mocky Christianity, ya dem mocky Islam. Now will be opposed to Jesus ya onum jot Jesus ya sabe oye gay. It doesn't change anything. Adiano a brainwash a rally panitrim. Ya pese a twini pani free moi a crocro any addition. To me the answer make your point. They be she Bible. Ne be she Quran. My video be me kind. Opa she Quran. On she printing press. On be printibium. Opa she Bible na. On be say printibium. And when change she. But usi enya no kra. Yam fighting intellectual battle. To me no religious people. And so unjay atem didi no. Oh, aha. And oye awkward. And oye gay. Say ye gay. Common sense family. Any free thinkers. Ye gay. Yasem. Yeah, okotwa, yasem, yeah, scammers, yasem, adia, yeah, and I will say, yeah, a tomarano, we are no quaffua, and I report to the police. I bet you, yeah, to the end film. Maybe I anopa area and you maybe I will be a maybe I don't cremo 20 and a menam. Yaumi cremoni, Memami and cremonistel. Maybe I know me as many Zenabu, Omo Bokina, Omi and cremo 4, Nebusia 4 Egufadama, Nebusia 4 Ebigu Kumase. Moses Zongu, Nebusia for Ebiwo, Taifa, Nima, Mamobi, all over, all the Islamic communities, Nebusia for. I don't hate the religion, but it was invented. One thing I may want to say, Uko Kase, Koran from so mupe, on my first argument, a mistake, Arabic, and English name. Na Arab le the problem bi ani ho na before be debate Islam no kwana ko suya Arabic na kwa kenkan Arabic. First point say kremoni bi make this point me no nya adwen because se mu disprove a Christopher Samun kremofo mu disprove a Christopher mon kofa Greek ni Hebrew essence say Old Testament no original e wo Greek. Hey, Old Testament original, ewo Hebrew, and the New Testament, ewo Greek. And this person which I say, we are no quafua. I was also Obabe disprove no. Christoni, Jew, no, because you are Greek and Hebrew. But we are comfortable, say, Moody translation, good news, NIV, RSV, and the fight you. And here the first mistake. Number 2, Samu Kwako converti a binomro bedane. In Kremofua, other than Mama Sancrophone, the benefit of the doubt. And Kancha Sancrophone say in Cremosono, Koran or Arabic mu, and Jan Sabayan Cremonino. The person who can go school. Now, Kusia Arab, said you can kind Arab. Now, back in kind the whole Quran, the whole Hadith. Now, we think Cremosoma say and say, convert you. Name Nipani the Jamu preaching, I say, no, Casa Magia de Pe, Namu Tubano. Make some video here. A whole village was converted into Islam. And then Kremofana Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Amweniaje. Say a whole village, including children. Adan in Kremofo. Mami Misao. And Mofrani Mpenyu for Gukromuina. Omonti Arab. Muko Kromuono. Enya Arab ena me ko preach na mom se mo kenkan Quran na mo san kire mu e de akonkrofo ni krom kasem na mo agi omo mo ye comfortable say mo wini a whole village no including children and babies no mo ani age say omo nti Arab omo kenkan Quran da ba mo ye prasa ma convert omo watch ne bi na nipa na adwene mu baby no bibisa question ya mo se bu nsa mawia no. Let us face the fact. No prayer, no prayer. But when you now, once your God is limited to one language, you cry a problem. Then we shake it, shake and say, English, no, the correct translation. Name a explanation of the Arab. Me pa chow. Yamamun kasate say, a young common sense family for, and you're translating English in the mamu. A yamu scholars. And a Ghana for now. And a Ghana for now. I am say English near mistake now. Me person be some say monomoti Arab. Actually Arab scholars now or translating now. Enjoy the video. No crab akope. Truth is truth, even if nobody believes it. Falsehood is falsehood, even if the whole world accepts it. Ma adwene nya adwuma. Agena nya adwuma. Body ne bre. Straight up. My name is Avram bin Moshe. Thank you for making us number one. Bye.
هناك شوف سنقلالة قومبي يعني افرح بقوة اضحك سنبلالة وتقول يا الله يا الله ارزقني يا الله اشفيني يا الله اعطيني. اذا سألت الله الله تعالى يفرح والله تعالى يحبك. هل تحبون الله؟ هل تحبون الله؟ أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. الله أكبر.
ربي سألتك أن تكون خواتمي ربي رجوتك لا تؤاخذ زلتي فأنا الظلوم وأنت ترحم حالي. ربي سألتك أن تكون خواتمي أعمال خير في رضاك إلهي. ربي ربي سألتك جنة عرض الفضاء وبطول جودك يا مليك مناليا ويا.
Yeah, Minianum, just look at how beautiful it appears. Our too plain. Eddie Muniane, Eddie Muachede, Echo village ho. Ako converted the whole village. Thinking say omo bre omo nyame so mamen kanchiro. It is not love for the people, it is winning souls for their religion. Simple. If those people do not accept Islam, they have nothing doing with them. Traveling miles, going to convert people into the religion, giving them gifts. It's not for the love of you, it is for the love of the religion. Mimia, obi eni eso be didi obi atemade na che. Ache papa mimia no ma wani now. Watch.
هل تحبون أن تكونوا مع عيسى عليه السلام في الجنة؟ إذن يجب عليكم أن توحدوا الله وحده.
أنا زرت بلاد كثيرة، لكن زيارتي لأفريقيا لها طعم آخر. نخرج كقوافل دعوية إلى القرى النائية ونخلط بين العمل الإنساني والواجب الدعوي. وما أجمل هذا الخليط.
محمد عليه الصلاة والسلام علمنا أنه في الكون إله واحد يستحق العبادة هو الله. من الذي خلقكم؟ من الذي رزقكم؟ من الذي ينزل المطر من السماء؟ من الذي يطعمكم؟ من الذي يسقيكم الماء؟ من الذي يشفي المريض؟ من الذي يقضي حوائجكم؟ من الذي يأتي بالليل والنهار؟ من الذي يتصرف في الكون؟ من الذي يستحق العبادة؟ تكبير الله أكبر.
نخرج إلى القرى الأفريقية ومعنا الهدايا
يا أبو جعفر بابا تشاو ميوسة يعني أنا كريموفوبيا باسوا أما ستاتي ABDD أتم يا بابا تشاو أكورا نسي أمو منين نو إندي أمو أتم نسا أمبدي الله أتم مسرمو أهانو أي common sense family أوبا هابة ما واجيني جمع دي يكانو يتنا كوانيا مفاسوا مويني souls into your religion. Well say sheikh no can Arab no ye translate the local language mu man nkrofo na tiase eno mo de emu ene ne eme nyina ba mo de bre nkrofo no, meaning the entire village cannot speak Arabic. Ana me nwan kremoni awo hwe sabe adwen na wutim video ni ehwe no e krom wo fo no omo ti Arabic omo kan Quran da Metro said this is what was done to the black man. Even Muslim scholars who can read Arab, some cannot speak Arabic. You are reading Arabic and speaking Arabic. Oshia Arabinia. On to many in common. Oh, my man, what to say? Rauka Juma, Wadana, Bibia Beye, on Tekasano. But on him how to, on him the alphabet to read. They said me, Metumia can Hebrew, Benjamin Metiasi. But Mete one Hebrew. So what you say? Jubana Bedi Atemwa. Now one can say I have a problem with your brain. I am here invite you. Te see ani ndia grow how. Say dia mo page. Mo bloggers ni be page. O mo popo mo ni gigidiro. Yes, we to popo ye ni o. We are not afraid of anybody. Me catch them. Ye nsro bia. Why? Religion me anu we Christianity and Islam. E di Ghana so for so many years. Ye nyam we bia mfiri mu. Ye nyam we bia. I'm telling you the fact. Ye try agre. Obaka on sha. Kwada. Simple. Straight up.
الطعام والدقيق ونوزعها على الجميع، لا نفرق بين مسلم وغير مسلم، ثم ندع ملك القرية يتحدث إلى قومه، وبعد ذلك نجالس أهل القرية ونؤانسهم ونختم زيارتنا بالحديث عن الإسلام.
وهو يسأل أين جئتم؟
جينا نقول من جزيرة العرب.
أودي بايبو عرب.
بوبو. قلنا أتينا إليكم بالهدايا لأن محمد عليه الصلاة والسلام نبينا أمرنا بالإحسان إليكم.
ziko mokwambiri senso tima kondwera mulungu akatumanenele yake kuzatitandiza kuno.
نحن مسرور جدا لأنكم جئتم هنا لكي تساعدنا عن ذلك. هو مسلم؟ دين الإسلام؟
No, دين كريستو.
ليس بالمسلم.
قال ونحن ديننا يأمرنا بحب عيسى.
يا فراد يبي being tolerant. Say ube tolerate and crofo views and opinion. Yeah, tolerant. Yeah, tolerate my religion. Yeah, nananom ama mo chance. My religion no atina kromu ha eno kranya wo dia. Your foreign religion aba atina ha and ye bisa question. Guy bi was so your friend no mediobuo pan ema for me even to mention your name and your respect. Your friend no Abdul Aziz Salifu or tro folk the dear term Mohammed Ahmed or say you are very funny. I don't know what is funny about this. Atik Mohammed on one did attempt Atik on did attempt at type Allahu Akbar. Abdul Aziz Salifu I say go and shut your father mouth and then come back. Mistake but ya chow. Yam blocking nipa. Ya pese ya tolerate ubia. Memwati as say Islam a very beautiful religion. Said ye wa waka and said ye wo no. Me busuafo na ye nkremofo me ni problem. But me ma wati ase say before you convert people, give them the benefit of the doubt. That is common sense. To learn Arab, read the Quran, the whole Quran, understand every word and every letter from the original Arabic. Me, I didn't get that opportunity to learn Arab and read the original. And tokwa minimu kuna ye based on translation. And you are telling me, say, there is problem with the translation. And I'm saying, more system of conversion, no, common sense, monsesano. Na muko bebia, mumma nipa the benefit of the doubt. Na nipa ninsua Arabunwie, en kenkan Quran nimwie, and samwa convert no. Who did yatem? Where Jimmy Kakrao?
alayhi salam.
Ifenso Muhammad ndineneli watu bora kugwiriza na tonse tikupita kumwamba.
وهو يقول ونحن كذلك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم هو رسولنا.
تكبير الله أكبر.
ربي سألتك جنة عرض الفضاء وبطول جودك يا مليك مناليا ويكون قصر الخير ملكي يوم أنت بياض أعمال فأخلد عاليا. ربي سألتك جنة عرض الفضاء وبطول جودك يا مليك مناليا ويكون قصر الخير ملكي يوم أنت بياض أعمال فأخلد عاليا في جنة.
ولما نختم زيارتنا للقرى الأفريقية بالحديث عن الإسلام نتفاجأ بأن يسلم العشرات وأحيانا المئات وأحيانا كل القرية. والله ما تدركون حجم الأنس والفرحة التي يجدها الداعية وهو يوصل دين الله إلى الناس.
محمد عليه الصلاة والسلام علمنا أن نحب لكم الخير ونأتي إليكم بالهدايا والدقيق حتى تكونوا سعداء. محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم أمرنا أن نحسن إليكم ونحب لكم الخير. والمسلم لا يكون مسلما كاملا حتى يؤمن بالمسيح نبيا. محمد عليه الصلاة والسلام يحب المسيح عليه السلام، ولذلك كل المسلمين يحبون المسيح عيسى عليه السلام. هل تحبون محمدا؟ هؤلاء ملوك تلك القرى بحمد الله أسلم مجموعة 4 أو 5 الذين أسلموا من بعد الإسلام. تفضل. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. الله أكبر.
إلهي يا ربي رجوتك لا
يا أبو سيافو the American who did that to me and you know any and prophet Arab omun kan Quran da ya wa kwada bi ho kra omun Quran da ya be convert no ne mama ne papa continue ni age me say this is a form of brainwash. This shouldn't be a way of bringing people to the faith in Allah and in the faith in God. Enye mo nko Christianity the same time mama kan se mi kire mo ade biara ho kwa join ne aye bi kan ma certificate ansa wa ba be sua hu nimdie no scam mama nchiro ye kosku ewie ansa o certificate yaba usua ade na ti ase tro exams pass na hu certificate yaba meboa bibia sa na tie BBM so obey lawyer obey magistrate engineer ukosua de pam ukosua makers ubesua wie na ya wo test na ya graduate na ya ma certificate It is only in religion that you are presented with certificate. You are being accepted into it before you learn. In Christianity, ojidi na uba yeno. No more bowesu. No more baptism certificate as what than a church member. Now you be church now. That is marriage. Marriage is a scam. Awari ayeba be start no. Ya di awari ni mu certificate ya shebu nsem samonya na mo ko wale. Ya ma mu certificate. Afa na mo ko sua wale. No. E o sanka wale. Ya jiwe busuafo ho a. Na mo atena after 10 years na mo samo ya faith metu na to aso no. Ya ma mu certificate. Dear brother di bre bia ye. And lot of things given to us by our slave master is a scam. But when now Metiwa mano de followers am way watching me badani kremoni anya ode mano de me yen kremoni am na be preacher and be preacher ma yesu anka ma me fans ya bobo pressure be jaka say and nonsense and kremofo be breguso when somebody is making sense, he's making sense. And when you are no kremofo be to us na me yen kremoni sabe adwen da de chim obi krangom na buofu onwa wonte arab Koran na kra wonto me kenkan and then I catch them. Now me ko kan English who catch them say English ni a mistake. Now English na go Arab and channel. Me na me try. What are you telling me? And I'm say some pers because me after my starting. There are children coming who will be greater than me. Me mamwa ti asio em kurebi ba. Omo adwimu bie de bebie no questions on be tata so for ni imam for no. Mo na mbetu books na to agu. Enya me o. To me trouble say mo some convention method. Mo ko baby mo man crofo ne ntiase ye say Quran no Allah esane no Arab language mo. Wo kan twi wo ko kan twi wo ko kan mamemfa twi Quran ne mra mo gusu translate ya de ye kan ma bubu afu we malam bi na de chen malam bi a me dey debate e no de chen twi Quran twi Quran twi any enya Quran kron no enya twi Quran me na me translate enya mu amunya twifu a mo pen ma translate twi na me ko kan twi na ba be ka cham say twi ni a mistake na me ka cham san be convert obi no mo ma nipa ni nsu arab wie on kan Quran huma me kan da me dim de wom also say me imagine too we make sense straight up
akhir zallati
yo I was your friend said watch a video no I was said here promoting in any agena shake for any age na me hu video hwe said enkremofo ne comment Allahu akbar me bianom de make us no ba ya adwen a kromuni nyina ne mbofra no mwani age yesamo mu aduane ne ade a yechicha mo a yeti onwani mu akire mo no enye love for the people and you love because they've joined Islam. They can't read one letter in Arabic, but when we're joining someone mwani age and we say we see a book no now we see the translated. Na mo ka chen say so wan kwa kusua Arab language na wayera and the omo mo achinkre so matum a omu ni Arab kenkan no it is an insult to them. Abramu am shake Ahmed did that. I can say was obia enya English version of the Quran. Enjoy.
To get hold of a copy of the Holy Quran, I said Muslims as well as non-Muslims. The non-Muslims, they must know, they owe it to themselves, that since there are 1 billion Muslims in the world today, they ought to know how their minds are working. Even as a missionary, you want to fight the Muslims, an intellectual battle, even then you need the book to arm yourself as to what the other person believes and what his book of authority is. And for the Muslim, it's also imperative that in this environment, English-speaking environment, that each and every Muslim here ought to arm himself with the English translation of the Holy Quran. This particular one I have in my hand is by Abdullah Yusuf Ali. This volume has about 2,000 pages.
Making sure say or point or fact or proof or bibiano credible said you can win more souls for your faith. Say bibin to answer one. The whole question actually agree. Atem di dia bianim. Get am ngina ase. Bye bye.
My friends, foolish born again Christians who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah.
Abusafo, where me pam ngina acha wo. E be se mo enjoy video no. E braso, I say me ko prepare na me ko adwumem. Mo beti me nka e wo kingdom. Why? Beti me ko kingdom 1 p.m. sharp me pam chawo. Mo nyina me de baby am video no me de ato me page no so chronicles wo. Why? And then me mama mo YouTube no so mo follow mo YouTube. Why? Unu bi o we kura se. Onya TV nehwe no multi TV e wo so why ne digital na mo follow ye na bibia nkoso kama we nya atem didi adesua straight up why ti enjoy we ko beti me nka ko dwale na me nko na me apomuden bai enwumbre na me ba issue ne so why the ba issue ne so but quick one ya this year Paulina Kodru Hospital CSF Paulina Kodru Hospital fe aye video kura se me fe nkyere muti Paulina si odamo ase but sikano pamchaw yamboa yeba ni hiska ti Paulina pamchaw meba Paulina noche akodru konfu anoche fe ti Paulina ene da ho no Paulina I'm just say menya ne number na why the mobile money number na me dia to mpam chaw on be no operation no Wednesday I'm so be no operation Wednesday Paulina esi odamu nyina se e wo do kese CSF moyi e de a kire no nti Paulina ne da ho a ayesere ye nko a ayesere ye baketwa no so em say o the first operation akoda na nti onya problem why the first operation on be the second one meaning so mo ya na so munyanye nti me from na enumbre ni na abrem enumbre Paulina e be ye short video bi na me mabo e de a kire mo nti Paulina ene da konfo anoche oda word ho a o twen Wednesday na o mo ye Paulina operation no na ya hwe ye betu biamfa ne honhom ochina ne de Paulina ebe ko theater no makwa Paulina operation pa munyina chaw ni sika no enso pa mo chaw Paulina da hospital nti number ye de be raise fan amana no because ebe no operation on to me nsole enkonko ye mobile money nti ye nya new number ye de to e de ama Paulina pa mo chaw em say be refi kakra because on that hospital on to be in solid operation we are on why paralyzed for 5 years to fa a register merchant number be e di amano anti be pa chaw number no me bo number no why new number ne ye 059 632 new number no 059 632 4254 Pacho 24688 ti Paulina new number o send this can be CSF room ye the CSF registration and register ma Paulina why ti 059 6324 254 why pacha wo send this kana enye Paulina din na beba we ye new merchant number se be ya sika dodo betumi akoso a ye betumi a redraw ye sramo sika wo mu hia de ayi abayo no operation no enye sika ketwa mo amunim yekotua deposit of 10,000 aha ena sika akra won ho em se be 4,000 bi na down but enya de be so ntipa mo chawo mo amakoye ado ye nyina MATV mo akoye donation aha ya ye big boss wo commercial akoye donation mintumi bomu nyina mudin aha Kwame Love akoye donation muda mu nyina CSF yentumi mbo bi edi maako me pa mu nyina chawo me pa mu nyina chawo yen savior by way obey video edumbre me samba meteme nka more fire CSF straight up ye bia dwene mu ne ya geni pa nkwa aha fa the common sense family mo bua no na mo support CSF ba cho say scan your Paulina dia yes CSF ye de na da ho no why yes ye nyankwan ya ye besa mo bua movement no adwene ba ya adwuma straight up ko dwale akwa adwuma more fire gidi YouTube no mo ko subscribe say be feed video so YouTube a oyem ba show say I mean no I mean ko prepare na me ko adwuma kura me pa chow mo fa mu tumpani ene ayi no mo hwe menim kura na mo nte kasa ni yi pa chow tumpani ene kingdom de omo ayi no me pa mo chow wo advert bia me sra mo fa nko ene de cash ne ba why ne atu ya ketuyem ne yeso ya bra ba ko me kan the face ya oyem be show what I have been through because of this movement, but I'm proud. This sacrifice have paid off. Baby ebe dampo eduru baby a na yeden. Baby aye di eti betumpo eduru baby a na yeden. That's why I'm proud of my team. Nobody can say was say yedi hia ne wo kom eye adwuma we kura me. So for me kasafram. When in Bible mu chan ya asofo ni nyina na fram. Oye den na wudidi hwa wo ma no. Nature will take care of us. We are still in the game. Ye jinemu pinti, ye jinemu pampe. Na mana down. CSF mo supporting movement no. This movement is here to stay. I don't give a damn about video bit. No. Say exposing mo da afena be exposing Moshe. Abba. Obi aye fire for fire. Edu part 900 the crowd to me stop me now. No be akoye video bi e na branch ye bi awaba ye friend na Abraham bin Moshe oye bonsam no bi nko kama mtia Abraham bin Moshe. I was first a common sense member media now there I accept Jesus whether he existed or he didn't exist. I don't care. You don't see any good in Christianity. All you see is bad. Hey, tell me I don't see any. You too, why don't you see the goodness in Satan and see only the bad thing? Nipa yo kese, ono one political party. It is a we NDC niya. May I topic no? We NDC niya. Shut up! Don't complain about MPP. See the goodness in MPP alone. We MPP ni so don't complain about NDC. Shut up and see the goodness in NDC. Sani abobra. Religion is the white man's religion has contributed to the downfall of this country. Simple. That's any prayer Bible say, oh no, maybe I why didn't you shut up and focus on the good thing demanded for you? Oh no, what more baby under? Only what that crowd Benjamin sex and I don't know what I say. The sex we had was sweet. I know about Chakasana. Oh, I didn't know only one with a fine cuisine. Oh, you know about soap anyway. Hey, I saw I'm robber black bank. I could kuni pay Yesica. No, I go see hospital in this school. Now you can't want someone. Oh, see, I should shut up and see the good thing the armed robber has done. Although he stole the money, he has built hospital and school. Nonsense. Next time, learn how to talk before you talk about common sense family. Hey. Don't bring yourself maker and your kaka. Straight up. I'm doing by your juma. Chala beg. I the good job, Straight up. Someone see I'm paying money. Yeah, juma. Thank you for making us number one. I'm giving you a year, juma. Bye transport.
Eye-opener on this one. These are the words of a wise man. Nobody carries a heavy burden than he who has evil intentions. Once there's a creation, there must be a creator. God, whose supernatural powers and miracles can only be found in the book, but not in real life, is equal to a God who never existed. Nasajina Nejuma, Bodini Bre, Abraham Ben Moshe, leader of Common Sense family. No size, Wagwan P Black.